And I don't wanna mess a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing.
Hi everyone, good morning. These are day 3 here in Tagaytay City, and today we're going to somewhere. It's already 11:30 a.m. and kakagising lang namin. Yeah, so samahan niyo kami ng breakfast and lunch. The brunch. Sobrang hangin na ng lamig! Oh my God! Tara! Dito tayo sa McDonald's Underground! And yan yung outfit ako, kakagising ko lang ngayon. Patulog pa tayo, guys. So, okay lang yan, guys. Yes. Kakaibang McDonald's to kasi underground siya.
Underground.
Tara na, guys. Humala. Ngayon, guys, pipili tayo kung anong ating kakainin for our brunch. So, ang gusto ko dito ito, yes, and this one, milk tea. Mag-milk tea ako. Kaso, naisipan ko na magkakarinderya na lang kaya cancel. Baka naman McDo, masyado ng expose, branding, diba? Promotion is real. Kahit pa burger man lang dyan McDo, di ba? Kasi McDo, dito kami nagsimula. And love namin to. Because way back 2009, and we worked with my super web sa McDonald's Legazpi. Doon kami nagkakilala, doon na buo yung friendship namin. So,
Absent, nag-full.
hanggang ngayon, binabalik-balikan. So ayun, binabalik-balikan talaga namin ang McDonald's because McDonald's, love ko to.
1 hour later.
I don't wanna mess a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Si Joe, kanta ka. Joe, please, kanta ka na. Dali na. I don't wanna close my eyes. Ayan si Embet. Kailangan niyang dugtungan ang aking kanta. Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong kung sakaling ikaw ay Okay, si Jade na. Ito daw, Jade, dugtungan mo na, girl. Sabi niya ang next. Kanta nga, dudugtungan mo nga.
Hindi ko alam yung kanta na ipag-
I hate you. Oh my God, it's so stunning and in here. And it's so creepy. Creepy talaga. The word doesn't fit at all. Fit as in F-E-E. Not F-I-E. I mean F-I-T. Okay, it's jazzyventure vlog.
Hi everyone, playing ML kasi ML is real.
And this is our friends from AXN. Siya si Tamara, si Sylvia, si Kiaya. That's the president, bitch. And siya si Joe, ang boyfriend ni Jade. Joe, mag-hi ka. Hello. Mahihayin siya kasi ano siya may brace siya. Pag may brace na yan. Ayan o. Bye-bye. And it's me! Vaccinated in! Hi, my boyfriend!
A few moments later.
Hi everyone, so we're going out and I'm going to some tourist spots here in Tagaytay. And ayun, I hope you enjoy the place. Yes. Say hi naman kayo. Ayun, babalik kami galing sa view deck with our, syempre, kakarating
Ay,
ng
hindi
mga
na siya
friends.
busy.
Yes, last time na dumaan kami dito medyo creepy kasi medyo madilim. Pero ngayon, well lit siya. Well lit? Ba't sinanet? Ba't sinanet?
Nahulog ako, nakita mo yan?
Ba't sinanet?
Oh my
Ba't
God,
sinanet?
nahulog ako.
Ba't sinanet?
Vaccinated, 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 vaccinated.
Hi guys, we're going to picnic. Grove? Grove? Yes, and we're using the taxical. Yes. Are you okay, Belle? Hi guys, we will try strawberry taho here in Tagaytay, specifically here in Picnic Grove. Grove or Grove?
Oh.
Yes.
Ako na lang mabait sa'yo.
Ika,
Mm.
dalawa pa kuya.
Oh my God, it's so like, oh my God. It's so Milky Way.
So yun nga guys, yung strawberry taho dito sa Tagaytay is worth 20 pesos. So, malayo sa normal na yung taho, yung presyo ng normal na taho, which is 5 yung mga ganitong size. So, pero okay naman kasi good experience na tikman ko na yung strawberry taho. Yes.
Two hours later.
So hi everyone! We're going to mahogany.
Bulalo, hanene.
Hi everyone! So we're here at mahogany. Charot. Kung saan makita ang matitikman ang pinakamasarap na bulalo! Oh yeah! Yes! So makikita nyo dito, isang lane siya ng kainan. Ayun! And ayun! Wow! So saan tayo guys?
Six and a half hours later.
So hey guys, we're back here sa condo and ayun nga, busog na busog kami. Meron pa kaming mga natirang food na pwede namin kainin for tomorrow or later. Yes, ang sarap-sarap talaga and I highly recommend the bulalo here in Tagaytay City, specifically sa mahogany. Ayan, so super mura pero sabaw pa lang as in, sobrang sarap. Promise talaga, you have to try it. Sa lahat ng mga food, hindi ako actually kumakain ng bulalo kasi it's beef. Pero hindi napakain talaga ako, sabaw lang. Grabe, sobrang sulit na sulit. And of course, samahan pa ng pakbet nila. And yung, anong tawag doon? Yung isa pang kinain natin? Crispy pata. Yes, super. So these will be our last night here at condo. And syempre, habang nanonood kami ng movies. And yun, we will spend the rest of the night watching movies and eating some popcorn. Yes. Yes, di ba ba? Masarap.
Sunog.
Sunog siya.
Mapait.
Pero masarap siya. Anong flavor to? Masarap. kasunog. No?